Good morning, teacher and students. My name is David Guevara Mora. My activity, my last vacation. My last vacation. My last vacation was with my girlfriend in San Andres. Our trip was by plane, and the stay was the Cameron Island. Each day was a different plan. Thank God I have had the privilege of knowing the seaboard on the Atlantic coast and the Pacific coast. But from San Andres, I have come very impacted by its beautiful sea. It was very beautiful for me to see the sea of seven colors from the air, an experience that will never be forgotten. It was wonderful, a perfect place for sculpture. Meals you try and drinks. We drank Caipirosca and Crazy Coconut or Strawberry Coconut as the perfect cocktail. We had Peruvian seafood and beef tenderloin in a special sauce. Breakfast was open bar and my favorite dish was eggs with bacon. Activities you did during your vacation. We did diving with my girlfriend. It is an experience that is recommend and living is the very beautiful. We went to meet the manta rays near the San Andres Aquarium. We also played the starfish and got to know their reproduction. Thank you, teacher and students.